Welcome to our comprehensive FlightPath Golf Tees review, where we dive deep into the world's most advanced golf tee. Discover how FlightPath revolutionizes your drives with its patented design, enhancing accuracy and distance. Join us as we explore the features, benefits, and real-world performance of FlightPath tees, ensuring you make an informed decision for your golf game. Let's tee off into the world of FlightPath. What is FlightPath? FlightPath is not just another golf tee. It's a game changer. Engineered with smart arrow technology and an angled launch platform, FlightPath enhances your game by reducing friction and increasing accuracy. Its impact-resistant polycarbonate construction ensures longevity, making it the ultimate choice for serious golfers seeking improved performance. 5 important features of FlightPath. Smart Arrow Technology. FlightPath tees incorporate Smart Arrow technology, providing precise alignment assistance for accurate drives. This feature ensures optimal positioning for each shot, helping you maintain consistency and control off the tee. Angled Launch Platform. Enhances distance by reducing backspin upon impact, optimizing launch conditions for longer drives. Impact-resistant polycarbonate. Constructed with durable polycarbonate material, ensuring longevity and reliability through countless rounds. Directional diamond design. Minimizes friction between the ball and tee, resulting in a smoother, more consistent flight path and improved shot accuracy. Tournament legal. Conforms to USGA and R&A rules, making FlightPath tees suitable for use in official tournaments and matches. These features collectively elevate your golfing experience, providing the performance and durability needed to excel on the fairway. Why we love FlightPath. Enhanced distance. FlightPath tees reduce backspin for longer drives. Improved accuracy. Smart Arrow technology ensures precise alignment. Durable construction. Impact-resistant polycarbonate material offers longevity, consistent performance. Directional diamond design minimizes friction for reliable shots. Tournament legality. Conforms to USGA and R&A rules for official play. How does FlightPath work? FlightPath's innovative design works by minimizing backspin and friction, resulting in longer, straighter drives. Its directional diamond design and angled launch platform create a smoother flight path, allowing you to hit with laser-like precision. Experience consistent performance and greater distance off the tee with FlightPath. Why choose FlightPath? FlightPath isn't just about hitting longer drives. It's about transforming your game. With FlightPath, you can expect real results backed by independent testing and validation. Its durability, precision, and tournament legality make it the go-to choice for golfers looking to elevate their performance on the course. Make this switch to FlightPath and unleash your true potential. FlightPath price and packages. 1 FlightPath golf tees, retailing at $34.99, now $29.99, save $5.00, offering approximately a 14% discount. Ideal for regular golfers seeking precision and durability. 2 FlightPath golf tees. Grab 2 FlightPath golf tees and enjoy a 35% discount on the second pack. Priced at $57.73 with free shipping, save $12.25. 4 FlightPath golf tees. Invest in 4 FlightPath golf tees for the price of 3. Priced at $104.97 with free shipping. Save a whopping $34.99 and equip yourself for ultimate performance on the course. FlightPath user reviews. additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techadvice.com. Thank you for tuning in to our FlightPath Golf Tees review. We hope this video provided valuable insights into how FlightPath can elevate your golfing experience. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more golf-related reviews and tips. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. We love hearing from our viewers. Until next time, happy golfing, and may your drives always find the fairway with FlightPath.